Let me ask you one simple question. What is your main purpose for doing a YouTube channel? Just be honest, okay? Some of you might say, it's my passion and my hobby. But the majority answer would be that I do YouTube to make money. So that's why this video is going to be very important for your YouTube journey. It's because in this video, I will show you the 5 most important tips to increase your YouTube income. If you already have a YouTube channel, watch this video till the end. This will help you to increase your income. If you are a beginner or someone who is planning to start a YouTube journey, this video will make your journey easier than ever. I spent 6 months doing this research, so the details I'm about to share with you guys are very valuable, but I'm giving those to you for free. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe to my channel because it's your choice and I respect it. Watch this video till the end, and if you think it's valuable, you can join our community where you can share your problems and directly contact me. The link is in the description. So first, let me explain how the YouTube ad revenue process actually works. I'm sure that you have seen a lot of ads while you are watching a video on YouTube. Some ads play in the beginning of the video, some play in the middle of the video. The main purpose of those companies is to make money and drive traffic and customers to their businesses. YouTube has over 2.49 billion monthly active users. Among these, there are more than 80 million paid subscribers, taking into account YouTube's premium and music services. Just over a third of the world's population access YouTube every month. 47% of the online global population are YouTube monthly active users. So, those companies pay a lot of money to YouTube to place their advertisements on YouTube. That's where you and I come into play. We make videos for different niches and different audiences. So, YouTube check our videos and place suitable ads on it. Then they share some percentage of their income with us. That's how we get paid. So our goal should be to find a way to increase this income. In other words, we need to find high-paying advertisers. That's what I'm going to teach you today. When it comes to YouTube revenue, there are 2 important words, CPM and RPM. So, what is CPM? CPM stands for cost per 1,000 impressions. It's basically the value that advertisers are willing to pay YouTube for 1,000 views. CPM isn't the amount YouTube content creators actually earn. YouTube pays creators 55% of an ad's CPM. RPM stands for revenue per mille. It represents how much money you've earned per 1,000 video views. So the first important thing you should consider is finding a high-value audience. So what is the meaning of a high-value audience? You already know that companies pay YouTube to place their ads on YouTube. Then YouTube finds suitable videos and places those ads, right? Let's take an example. I'm from a country called Sri Lanka. It's a very small island. The population of this country is 22 million. Let's say I create a YouTube channel targeting the audience in my country. Do you think YouTube will place advertisements related to big companies on my videos? The answer is no. It's because that is not profitable to them. Chances of driving traffic or customers to their business through my audience are very low. So they will only place low-value ads on my video. But if I create a channel targeting the USA, UK, or any European country with billions of population, they will probably place high-value advertisements on my videos. In that way, the RPM of my channel will increase. I already have several channels targeting the audience of my country. You won't believe how low the RPM is. It's less than $0.3. But the channels that have international audiences like this one have an RPM of around $4. So, it's more than 10 times. I hope now you understand the meaning of high-value audience. So I know the next question you are going to ask is how to find a high-value audience. The first thing is you must always target international audiences. One way to do that is create your videos only with the English language. And you should find what type of videos they are watching. So first, you need to do some research and find out what's trending in those countries and create videos for those topics. That's why selecting a niche is very important. When you are selecting a niche for your YouTube journey, it should be something that international audiences are interested in. If not, you can't reach that high-value audience. With that, we can go to the second important thing, which is selecting a profitable niche. Apart from the audience, the next important factor that can increase your CPM is your niche. So, why selecting a profitable niche is very important. Here is why. A lot of people think that YouTube pays the same amount of revenue to all creators. It's just not the case. Depending on your category, YouTube pays different amounts of revenue. As an example, let's say you got 1 million views for a comedy and funny video on YouTube. Your approximate revenue from that video would be around $500. If you get 1 million views for a tech-related video, your revenue will be $3,600. You see the difference. If you start a channel without knowing this, you will lose your time and money. Let me give you 15 niches and their CPM. Then you will be able to understand which niches are profitable and which are not. Number 15, comedy and humor. CPM is around $1. So, in my opinion, it's not a good niche to start as a business. Number 14, gaming. CPM is around $1.60. Number 13, fitness and bodybuilding. CPM is around $1.60, similar to the gaming niche. Starting a unique gaming channel is a good idea because you can create unlimited content without lots of editing. Number 12, travel niche. It has around $2 of CPM. Number 11, cooking niche. It has a CPM of around $2.5. Number 10, I talk a lot about this niche, which is the motivational niche. It has a CPM of around $2.5 to $4 depending on the content and the audience. Number 9, beauty and makeup. CPM is around $3. Number 8, fashion niche. CPM is around $4. Number 7, lifestyle niche, especially channels about vlogs. This has a CPM of around $3.5. Number 6, this is the ASMR and satisfying video niche. This has a CPM of around $3.5. Number 5, tech niche. This is one of my favorite niches. It has a CPM of around $7.3. Number 4, educational niche, which is similar to my channel, which has a CPM of around $9.8. Number 3, personal finance niche. This is one of the highest paid niches on YouTube. It has a CPM of $12. Number 2, digital marketing niche, which has a CPM of around $12.5. Finally, the number 1 niche on YouTube is how to make money niche, which has a CPM of around $13.4. Now you can understand which niches are profitable and which are not. I would recommend you select a niche that has a CPM higher than $3. So if you select a profitable niche and create those videos in English, you will have a high-value international audience. The third important factor is that you should follow the YouTube guidelines when creating videos. These are the guidelines: inappropriate language, adult content, violence, shocking content, harmful acts, drugs-related content, bad behavior, hateful content, firearm-related content, sensitive topics, and controversial issues. If your video has any of these things, advertisers may not like to advertise their product or service on your videos. Therefore, YouTube will reduce your CPM. So make sure to follow these guidelines if you want to increase your CPM. The next important factor is the duration of your video. If your video duration is less than 8 minutes, there will be 2 types of ads on your video: at the beginning of the video and the end of the video. But if your duration is higher than 8 minutes, YouTube will add mid-roll ads as well. So, a video with an 8-minute duration has a higher CPM than a video with has 7-minute duration. Keep this in mind. Try to create videos that have at least 8 minutes duration. Basically, longer videos have higher CPM. The final factor you should consider is the watch time of your video. It doesn't matter if you follow all the 4 factors correctly. If your viewers are not going to watch your videos till the end, you are going to miss out on a lot of ad revenue. So, when you are making the videos, make sure to create them in an interesting way and add some edits and funny things. If the viewer gets bored during the video, they will scroll down to the next one. Your goal should be to keep the viewer on your video for as long as you can. This will increase your CPM. I hope you learn a valuable lesson from this video. I will see you in the next video.